Hello everyone, I am Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. In this video, I am going to talk about an important topic. So please watch it till the end.
Health benefits of buttermilk. Buttermilk is prepared by thoroughly blending water and curd. Profile. 5 types of buttermilk are described in Ayurvedic texts. These are known as ghola, prepared from the curd with fats, mathitha, prepared from curd after removing fats from it, takra, prepared by adding 14th amount of water to curd, udashvitha, prepared by adding half amount of the water, and chachika, made by constantly removing the butter from curd. Qualities and action. The qualities of buttermilk are poetically described in Ayurveda, according to which the person who regularly consumes buttermilk never meets unhappiness in life and never suffers from relapse of any disease. As gods consume the nectar of life, amruta, humans have buttermilk for a healthy life. Buttermilk, when digested, results in a sweet final form, vipka. Hence it subdues the pitta dosha. Of its sweet and sour taste, it subdues the vata dosha, and due to its hot and easily spreading qualities, it subdues the kapha dosha. Fresh buttermilk has a cooling effect. Therefore, in all the before mentioned diseases, buttermilk should be used as food as well as medicine. Interesting facts. Buttermilk is prepared by processing curd. Due to this processing, the qualities of buttermilk differ from that of curd. The durability of curd is more than milk, and that of buttermilk is more than curd. Curd often vitiates kapha dosha, which gets accumulated in the body channels and causes swelling oedema, whereas buttermilk helps in removing the accumulated dosha and reducing oedema. Buttermilk should be taken according to seasons, in the rainy season, along with rock salt in summer, along with sugar in spring, along with powder of black pepper, long pepper and ginger. Medical uses. Indigestion. In case of chronic indigestion due to the diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, chronic fever, liver and spleen enlargement, etc., buttermilk is a very effective food remedy. Dysentery. For chronic dysentery, it acts as the best medicine because buttermilk inflames the digestive fire, thus working as an appetizer. It also helps in forming stools of normal consistency. Heavy periods. In case of excessive bleeding during menstrual periods, buttermilk, kept in an iron vessel, should be given. Also, buttermilk cooked along with onion should be given for the same purpose. White discharge. Buttermilk prepared from curd, prepared from cow's milk, should be given along with rice starch, kangi, for a month, in case of white discharge in females. Heart weakness. In cardiac disorders, buttermilk without adding salt or sugar should be taken to enhance smooth bowel movements. Intestinal gas. For gaseous distension of the stomach, buttermilk should be taken along with asafoetida, salt and ginger. Excessive thirst. Buttermilk acts as a thirst quencher, appetizer and mild diuretic. It is also beneficial for diabetes. Chronic skin diseases. For skin disorders, a paste of margosa leaves, turmeric, long pepper, and black pepper prepared in buttermilk should be applied to the affected area. Caution. Salt, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and ginger are generally added to enhance the flavor of buttermilk. But salty buttermilk, if kept for a long time, reacts with lactic acid and is harmful to the body.
I hope that this video has enlightened you. In the upcoming videos, I will share more interesting, authentic, and useful information on health and wellness. Till then, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Shatam Jiva, Sharado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, be positive, keep smiling, and stay safe. Love you all. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD Ayurveda, Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Ramamurthy Nagar, CBCID Colony, Hydernagar, Hyderabad 5,85,000, Telangana State, India. Landmark, Kukatpally area, Metro Train pillar number A663. Email, muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Website address www.muralimanohar.com. Phone numbers 9246575510, 9177445454.